My name is Mel Clark. I am in the computer science program, more specifically the information system security degree, and I am a senior. So I'm involved with the Gender and Sexuality Student Services. We actually recently had a name change. It used to be called the LGBTQA Resource Office, and that was just to be more inclusive for the office and everything. I'm also involved with the InQueery program, which is basically a peer-to-peer education program. People and students can get involved and teach their peers about different LGBT topics that they're interested in and related to our programs. Having your peers come in and talk is a little more relaxed. It's less stressful. You feel like you can talk to somebody. You'll know that they're not giving you crap about anything. So it's all genuine. We share our stories and everything. So I think it's just an easier way for people to digest it, especially if they've never been exposed to things like that. This afternoon is an event called LGBTQA. It's kind of a play on words. We do that a lot here in the office. And it's basically just a time for people to come in and have snacks, talk, watch TV, catch up on things, talk about homework, just a place to relax. It feels really good. It feels like my second home. I mean, I have my house over in Riverton, but I also have here is also my home. I mean, my friends are like, oh, do you mean home or do you mean home? So it's like, it's nice to have people you can talk to and things you can get off your chest and ask people about all kinds of issues that you're having. I really decided to come to UAS because of a teacher recommending the computer science program to me. And I also used to always go to the Segment Auditorium when I was a kid. My grandma and I always got season tickets, so we would come through this campus a lot when I was younger. After I finished my bachelor's degree, I want to go into the grad program because I want to go into the FBI ultimately. I want to contribute to my country in that way. I've grown a lot as a person. A lot of people have said, you know, you've changed so much since you were a freshman. You know, you used to be really shy and you wouldn't speak up about anything, but now since you've been in this role in InQueery and everything like that, you really blossomed as a person and you've stepped up since you've been a freshman.